Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mix in Key Pro. First, open the application and drag your audio files into the main window. Mix in Key will automatically analyze each track, identifying its musical key and tempo. This process usually takes just a few seconds per song. Once analyzed, you'll see the Camelot wheel key, which is a simple system for understanding harmonic relationships between tracks. This foundational step is crucial for seamless mixing. To begin, simply drag and drop your desired music files directly into the Mix in Key Pro interface. The software is compatible with many popular audio formats, including MP3, WAV, and AIF. Once dropped, the analysis process starts automatically, typically completing within a few seconds for each track. You will then see detailed information such as the precise musical key, beats per minute, and an energy level rating, all essential for informed mixing decisions. The Camelot wheel is a core feature, simplifying harmonic mixing significantly. It assigns a number and letter to each musical key, making it easy to see which tracks will sound good together. Keys that are adjacent on the wheel, like 8 and 9A, or those sharing the same number with a different letter, such as 8 and 8B, are harmonically compatible. This visual guide helps you build smooth transitions and avoid clashing sounds in your mixes. After analysis, Mix in Key Pro writes all the key and tempo information directly into your music file's metadata tags. This means when you load these tracks into your preferred DJ software, such as Serato DJ, Recordbox, or Traktor, the key and BPM data will be readily available. You can then sort your library by key or energy level, allowing you to craft perfectly harmonized and dynamically engaging DJ sets with ease and precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.